Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Jamaica celebrate a living legend in Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce.
Yeah, Shelly, we've been there.
From Waterhouse to Woolmer's,
where you ran the 100 meter in a blistering 11:57 seconds.
To becoming the first Jamaican woman to win the 100-meter Olympic gold in the 2008 Beijing Olympics.
We were there when you defended your title in 2012 at the London Olympics.
Proving to the world once and for all, never to doubt Jamaica's pocket rocket.
Two-time individual Olympic gold medalist, six-time individual world champion.
You've turned the Jamaican flag into an emblem of excellence.
Waving the black, green and gold proudly across the globe.
You've been our ambassador, our inspiration.
The embodiment of our collective hopes and dreams.
We were there throughout your moments of honor.
In 2008, the government awarded you the Order of Distinction.
Then you were made special envoy for sports.
And 14 years later, the Order of Jamaica.
Multiple Sportswoman of the Year awards. Digicel, brand ambassador. These are but a few of the titles you've earned.
But to us, you are so much more. You've poured your courage into our people.
And raised the hopes of Waterhouse.
Championing causes that will uplift Jamaican girls who will one day honor your legacy.
We have been with you while you dash through every transition.
From school champs to world championship.
From pocket rocket to one-way rockets.
From speed sensation to a living legend.
You are the very best of us, Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce.
And you make us proud.
I just want to wish you all the best.
Love mommy.
Love Jason, love Zion.
One love.
Love.
Jamaica.
So as a Jamaican living overseas, I can tell you that it's like always an exciting feeling when it's Olympic time and you go to like a local pub or a bar, or even when you're at work and everyone stop working to watch the Olympics and the sprints comes on, and that is the premier event and everyone knows that you're from Jamaica. It is just such a proud feeling. And as I said, living abroad for a while now, being able to see Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce, Usain Bolt on the screen and see everyone from all over the world cheering for our small, beautiful island of Jamaica. So it was such a great feeling. And Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce is a living legend. And the same way Usain Bolt was given his flowers for what he has done for Jamaica, I'm sure Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce will get like the biggest send-off ever. So like, I know, talking as a Jamaican living in Canada, I know Jamaicans living all over the world at Olympic time just feel proud walking around in our Jamaican colors. So big up to Jamaica for celebrating Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce, and she's a living legend and she deserves every single flowers that she's getting right now. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.